Welcome back to another episode of Penny for Your Thoughts. It's your boy Chuck, and today we back with another sneaker review. In this episode of Penny for Your Thoughts, we're talking about another Nike basketball classic shoe. This time around, we're talking about the shoe that we seen Scottie Pippen wearing in the Last Dance documentary. I know everybody pretty much seen that, man. It's a super dope documentary. If you ain't get the chance, check it out. It's about Michael Jordan and the Chicago Bulls and their championship runs and everything like that. You know, Scottie Pippen was a big part of that run and what they were doing in Chicago at that time. And one of the signature shoes that he's wearing in this series is the Air More Uptempo, man. I remember when this shoe came out. It came out in a bunch of different colors, black and white. It was a white and sky blue pair. I remember from the original time they dropped, it was a white and red pair. That's just to name a couple of colorways, man. But before we get into this shoe, I'm gonna need you guys to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon so you guys can be notified we dropping new content to the channel and help us grow this channel as big as possible. We're dropping videos quite often now, so just be in tune with that. And also, if you guys want to follow us on our social media account on Instagram and on Twitter, it's PENNY_4YT. That's on Instagram and on Twitter. And also, if you guys want to buy any of the merch you guys see me wearing in this video, you guys can go to the website. The website is P4YT2016.com. I know y'all tired of me talking, and y'all ready to get to this shoe. So let's do it. Here guys go, the Air More Uptempo, aka Scottie Pippen's. Let's get straight into the shoe. As you guys see, the shoe is pretty much black and white, but there's a lot of suede. There's no leather on this shoe. It's all suede material. You have the Air written here on the side, suede black, and then you have the white outline, which is leather. You have the I here, same thing, suede black with the white outline, and then you have the R here, suede black with the white outline. You have a white Nike swoosh here with the black outline, suede toe box. As you can see on the tongue is mesh with the elastic right here to keep your foot locked down so your foot is not sliding around in the shoe when you're playing basketball, whatever case. That was big back in the 90s. A lot of shoes had this on it so that way your foot wasn't sliding around. You slide over here to the back. You have the air bubble right here, starting from almost the beginning of the shoe. I don't know if you guys can see that, but starting from almost the beginning of the shoe, you see the air bubble here, clear air bubble on the inside. Right here, it comes around. You got the Nike swoosh right here in white. Come around to the back. You got a white Nike swoosh here. You see more of the airbag right here. Come over to the other side. Nike swoosh again, black background. Got the white bubble here on the inside, same air here. Just the other way around. You got the A here, you have the I here, you have the R here, and on this side you have the A here, the I here, and the R here. So man, pretty much on the top of the tongue you have a white swoosh here. Let me get that out so you guys can see that. Got the pull tag on the tongue and on the back also, man. Nike, great job here, man. You bringing back a lot of classic shoes, which is beautiful. You know, with basketball season being down right now, you know, due to the coronavirus, they starting it late this year. They starting it around Christmas, if I read correctly. This is a classic shoe, man. Like I mentioned earlier in the video, I know you guys seen Scottie Pippen wearing this. If you're big on 90s basketball, you seen Scottie Pippen wearing this shoe. And also, if you guys seen the Last Dance documentary, man, he was wearing this shoe. I believe when they were playing the Seattle Supersonics, so I believe that was in 96. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments, but I believe it was 96, man. And this shoe was big, man. I remember when it dropped, man. I believe the low top 11s came out, the IEs, not the regular 11s. The IEs came out around the same time this shoe came out. If I remember correctly, I remember it was summertime or something like that. But yeah, man, clean shoe. Let me know what you guys think. Disagree, leave it in the comments below. But y'all know what time it is. Time for me to rate this shoe. And out of 5 pennies, man, I'm definitely gonna have to give this shoe, man, 4 out of 5 pennies. This is the type of stuff I love. That old school feel is needed these days, man. And Nike's doing a great job bringing this stuff back and giving people the opportunity who wasn't able to get a pair during the first couple of retros, or even when they first came out, to get them now, man. So if you guys disagree with my ratings, leave them in the comments below. And with that being said, we keeping it 100 and not a penny less. Peace.